So first we're going to smush the hot chips. I'm gonna put half the bag right now. And then just the big baggie. I'm gonna use this and I'm gonna
I just smashed the hot chips to where it was real fine.
Okay, so now we're gonna do some corn. We're gonna boil some corn.
I used about 6 pieces of corn halves. Added some butter.
Add a little bit of salt.
I let the corn boil so I could prep all the chicken.
This chicken breast I'm using today. And I'm just gonna cut it thinly.
After cutting it into thin pieces, I cut it into slices to make chicken tenders. Still letting the corn boil. We needed way more hot chips crushed, so here are my kids crushing all the hot chips.
So y'all don't come for me. We got one for chicken and we got one for all the other stuff.
Okay, smush it still. I'm rolling in the chicken.
Yes.
Hi, people. We're
So-
gonna dip it in the flour, dip it in the egg wash, and then we're gonna dip it in the Cheeto dust so we can make hot Cheeto dust chicken. It's smushed up Cheetos with that's chicken crust. The chicken crust is covered with hot Cheetos, and the chicken is gonna be cooked inside. I don't know how to explain it, but you get the idea.
You get the idea. So this is seasoned flour. It is seasoned flour and we're just making sure all of it's coated. And just like that, all of it's coated, right?
Yeah.
And now we're gonna dip it in egg wash. It's
Can I help?
fully covered.
Can I put some in?
You can hold it, but I don't want you touching the chicken.
Why?
Hold it. We're gonna put it in egg wash
Can I touch the
and
one
do the
chicken?
same thing. And shake it in the egg
No,
wash.
no, no. Get it. Can I shoot you? No.
Flip it. There you go. There you go. Just flip it. There you go. 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 Okay, good job.
I want to do
Good.
it.
Okay.
Now I'm just transferring the chicken to the Cheeto crumbs.
It's closed.
No, it's not.
And now flip those.
No, I'm going to stick it. The Bowser's toy. Lando, look. This is how you do it. You do this. Can I do it now? No. You have make it more. Look. You do.
Okay. Open it back up.
Open it. You can put it in here.
Yes.
Mom don't need her egg washing hands. Bowser,
Hold it
look at
open.
your toy. Open your toy. It's like, oh no, Bowser, sorry. Wait, that's not done. Oh,
Ooh.
it's okay. Happy with your toy? I think I need to shake it a little bit more.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah. The last. Yeah, wait, there's one right here. No, that's.
Ooh, it smells like hot chips.
Can I do it two more?
Do what? Oh, it's your turn.
No, I'm not gonna let them see me. Have you seen the new Spider-Man movie? It is awesome. It is very cool. The camera watched it.
We're cooking with the air fryer. Now we're cooking the chicken tenders in the air fryer. I put it on 13 minutes at temperature 360. Then halfway through the 13 minutes, I just flip the tenders. Now to prep the coating for the corn, I put butter in the microwave, make it melted. Once it's melted, I add mayonnaise to it, and then I just mix it. Give it a really good mix. I then added Parmesan cheese to the crushed hot chips, and I actually blended up these hot chips to make it way finer. Just give it a good mix. Then to prepare the corn, I get the butter and mayonnaise mixture and I spread it all over the corn. I was trying to do it with holding it between my fingers at first, but that really didn't work out too good. Well, at least I don't like the way that it's being spread on it. Then I just started putting all the hot Cheetos around the corn so it could stick to it. I ended up attaching sticks to the corn and it ended up working out really good. The stick actually made it easy to spread the mayonnaise and butter mixture and put on the hot Cheeto. This is a good avocado. I sliced up the avocado and then I put it inside the hot Cheeto mixture and covered it with hot Cheetos. All of this was really simple to put together. The tenders are done. Now to put everything together.
I'm gonna wait. Mom? Mom? Do.
No.
This is good. Really good.